How to treat uneven skin tone. Skin pigmentation or uneven skin tone as it is normally called is caused due to the increased production of melanin in our skin. Although it does not pose any threat to our physical health, yet the mental health of some people suffering from it may get affected. Discoloration. Skin pigmentation at an early stage can be cured by following some home remedies, but for severe cases of pigmentation, cosmetic treatments prove beneficial. Home remedies. Rub lemon juice over the affected area and let it remain for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing it away with warm water. The lemon juice will subtly and safely help reduce the appearance of uneven skin tones. Cut a ripe potato in half and rub the fleshy area over the blotchy areas. Allow the potato juice to remain for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing with warm water. The potato flesh has natural skin lightening properties that will help correct uneven skin tones. One of the most effective uneven skin tone remedies is exfoliating the skin with a mixture of yogurt or curd and grounded orange peels. You can apply the paste of your skin and remove the dead cells, which helps even out the skin tone. Massage tomato pulp for about 10 minutes to rectify an uneven skin tone. This can also help you clear blemishes and patches. Cosmetic treatments. Chemical peel. As the name suggests, this procedure requires a chemical solution to remove the upper layer of the skin through gentle exfoliation, which in turn improve the texture and appearance of the skin. Microdermabrasion. Laser treatment. In this treatment, the damaged skin is removed layer by layer using a carbon dioxide laser, resulting in lesser problems with hypopigmentation, that is lightening of the skin. It is also called as laser peel or laser vaporization. Remember these fundamental tips to have a great skin always. The basic cleansing, toning, moisturizing and exfoliating routine is mandatory to have a great skin. 78,652,926. Protect yourself from sun as far as possible. Apply sunscreen to avoid skin problems caused due to sun exposure. Exercise daily to improve blood circulation and get that perfect glow. Drink at least 1.5 liters of water daily to keep toxins away, including a lot of fruits, vegetables, juices and pulses in your diet will also help flush out the toxins from the body, thereby evening out your skin tone.